To access the IMSLink immunization interface, just click on IMSLink from the Enterprise RX homepage. Log in using your IMSLink credentials. If you don't have a username or password or are having trouble logging in, contact IMSLink support for additional assistance. From the home page, under the patient menu, select Search. If the patient has had vaccinations from you before, you should be able to find them with a simple search using name and date of birth. Once you receive your results, select the appropriate patient name. If your search returns no results, click on the Advanced Search button to find your new patient in the State Immunization Registry. In the Advanced Search, you will need to add more patient details to help identify the correct patient. Then click the Check Registry button. Once you receive your results, select the appropriate patient name. When you select the patient, the appropriate state registry will be queried to pull down the patient history or updates. When the patient's demographic screen appears, double-check that the patient's demographics are up to date. If you need to make changes, simply click Edit. Here you'll be able to edit the patient's demographics. Click Save or Cancel to return to the patient demographics page. Take note that the patient status will be listed as up to date in green or action required in red. Now select Review Immunizations to view and edit the patient's immunization forecast. At the top of the page, you'll be notified of the patient's vaccinations that are past due or coming up soon. Alert the patient of any immunizations listed as past due and recommend that they get those immunizations today or schedule a time when it's more convenient for them. If they have immunizations that are approaching a due date, you should alert them of those as well. If they feel they have received an immunization that is not in their history, you can ask them to bring in their record or follow up with their administering provider. From here, you can close out of IMSLink and use Enterprise RX to record all immunizations. Bartell Drug is sending a nightly feed of administered immunizations to the Washington State Registry.